go to Panama City. Once reaching 6,000, cleared to Echo Charlie Papa as filed, climb maintain 10,000, 732 Charlie Hotel.
November 732 Charlie Hotel, read that correct.
Alright, so welcome everyone to the 2020 edition of the Adults Only Vacation. Been looking forward to this for roughly 364 days. With it being 2020 though, we're in the middle of the coronavirus. We're also flying in a dust cloud from the Saharan desert.
With murder hornets surrounding us.
I think the murder hornets, those didn't catch on. So, anyway, we got a haze out there. I think it is from the Saharan desert. Supposedly that's hitting our area right now. We're kind of above most of it right now. But yeah, we got about an hour and a half into Panama City Beach. We're in a car down there. We're gonna get a pontoon boat today. Have some fun. Schools have been out in our area for 2.5 months, basically.
3.5? 3.5.
Well, I mean, not counting summer though.
Oh, since March.
Yeah, since March basically. And kids are great, but that's a long time to be with your kids 24/7. So we've got grandparents keeping kids this weekend, and we're gonna go recharge for 2 days. Should be fun.
Yeah. It's an hour behind, so.
Oh yeah, we're 9:20 here, but this should have burned off. I mean, this is just not a pretty flight.
No.
I mean, you're perfectly legal to fly VFR right now. Perfectly legal, but there's no horizon. Like, you can't look out and know where you are.
I would not want to fly VFR in this.
All you can do is look down at the ground and say, oh, it's not getting closer, so we're doing good.
Right. I would not want to fly VFR in this, because like you said, you can't tell when a cloud's coming.
I mean, there could be a cloud bank in front of us and we'd never know.
Exactly.
Actually, there probably will be in a second. There's a little rain up here.
So is this the type of situation where, like, who is it that died? John F. Kennedy?
Yes, let's talk about plane crashes.
Yes, that's the topic we want.
How many
people have died in a plane crash?
Nice airplane, but guys, you've got to be able to see horizon out there now. I mean, come on.
No.
You're just saying no.
I see it.
No, I'm not. I don't see the horizon.
I see a paler light.
Exactly.
Yeah, but that may not be the horizon. That may be like a cloud layer.
I don't see it in front of us. I see it to our left.
I mean, I see a white line.
That's what it is.
How do you know that that's a cloud layer?
Well, I mean, it may be a cloud layer, but it's level.
Well,
that's what I meant, like an opening through the haze.
Yeah, but it's not. It may not be the horizon.
It's horizontal.
Boom. And since the Earth is flat,
471, you still have the 860 at
anything
11 o'clock and a mile an hour. You're going west.
Well, supposedly our airport is right over there somewhere. Does anybody see it?
Number 2 Charlie Hotel, turn right direct Sido, cross Sido above 3000, cleared RNAV, runway 34 approach.
Right direct Sido, cleared RNAV approach at above 3000 until Sido, 2 Charlie Hotel. Panama City Beach Tower, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, RNAV 34.
Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, Panama City Tower, roger, report flag off.
We'll report flag off, 732 Charlie Hotel. Tower, Centurion 732, Charlie Hotel's over, flag off.
Centurion 2 Charlie Hotel, roger, wind calm, runway 34, clear to land.
Clear to land 34, 732, Charlie Hotel.
Good over here.
Wheel over here. Indicator lights green. Gas, undercarriage, mixture prop. Opens at the bottom.
Hotel, you can make a quick 180 there if you like.
We'll hit the brakes quick, 180 to Charlie Hotel. Welcome to Panama City, guys.
Hey, thanks for getting us here safely.
Excellent job.
My palms were just a little sweaty.
Yeah, I didn't look up. If you know, I can't.
Yeah.
Take off, I'm fine.
At ground, Centurion 732, Charlie Hotel, clear of 34, holding short, Delta.
Centurion 32 Charlie Hotel, Panama City ground, taxi to park, Delta Juliet.
Delta Juliet to park, 732 Charlie Hotel. Wait, why are your palms sweaty?
But when we land, landing is always one of those, the wind's blowing, you're rocking,
Yeah.
you're kind of going up and down, you're not sure if you're going to get down at the same time as the runway, and when you land, you're not going to sure if it's going to be like a or
Yeah, just bracing yourself.
Yep.
Well, was that a or a...
No, that was
It was good.
a good one.
I didn't even look up, so I don't know what the runway looked like coming in. I just looked down and get on my phone.
Okay. I don't know if you can hear any of this. We got a Cirrus behind us, but arrived safely into Panama City. We have somewhere over there is another 210. That was in some ways a very boring flight because we couldn't see a thing the whole time, but it did seem to make it go by faster. So we're gonna go into shelter here. It's the second time landing in Panama City, and they do a great job taking care of you. Gonna go into shelter, pick up our rental car, get a pontoon boat, and have 48 hours of relaxation. Can't wait. day number 2. Yesterday was pontoon boats and eating out at the hub last night. And I was exhausted. I went to bed at 9:30. So that's what being close to 40 does to you. Today is a big day laying at the beach. And also I just bought a camera lens that Jennifer's thrilled about. So we're gonna grab some breakfast, have some fun.
Train 732 Charlie Hotel traffic 2 mile final BE 24 on departure, turn left heading 360, maintain 5000, runway 16 at Sierra, no delay and cleared for takeoff.
No delay, 16 at Sierra, climb, maintain 5,000, left turn 360 to Charlie Hotel. That was another successful adults only weekend.
Yes, it was.
I enjoyed our rousing game of BS last night, although I don't think any of us were very
Number 9
good
of
at
Bravo.
Who won the BS game? Did you win that too? See, you just cheated.
How did I cheat at BS?
You called BS every time.
November 7 pop-up effect.
No,
Whether
that
or
was-
not you actually thought it was real.
I think Sarah called it the most.
Sarah definitely
for
called it
sure.
the most. Sarah was every time.
And I'm hesitant to share it with you guys because it probably means I won't play with you. If you say 3 jacks, 2 jacks or whatever, stack your cards on top of each other and lay down like 4 cards at once.
I think that's cheating.
Yeah,
The whole game
That-
is cheating.
it doesn't matter.
It still has rules.
That's cheating. That's a definite cheating.
If you think it's a cheat, you call BS. I did it twice last night.
Alpha, understand your RTV.
So you cheated.
Of
You are a
course you
cheater.
cheated. The
You don't cheat.
point of the game is to cheat and
No.
try to deceive your opponents.
By laying down the number of cards you say you're going to lay down, and not to lay down extra on top of that.
Yeah.
That you are disqualified.
No, that's the whole point of the game.
75.
You're out.
Quebec, Roger.
Who was the runner-up?
Nobody. But
Not me.
because I so thoroughly dominated it.
I had 3 cards left, all of the same kind. You cheated.
Jack, Queen, were they kings?
4311 Alpha, Karen.
No.
Then you would have got busted on it.
Well, obviously, because you couldn't lay anything down without somebody saying BS.
What are you doing, weather? What are you doing? Atlanta Center, Centurion 732, Charlie Hotel, request left deviation, build-ups.
November 2 Charlie Hotel, left deviation is approved. Back to destination when able.
Just go right to the right of this little cloud, to the left of that big stuff. Okay, you got this big cloud complex in front of us.
Right.
I'm gonna go to the left of it.
Yeah.
And there's this little bitty cloud that's
Yeah.
higher than we are. That little V groove in there.
Yeah.
Chattanooga approach, Centurion 732, Charlie Hotel. Request further deviation to the left. I'd like to get to the west with all this stuff in front of me.
November 2 Charlie Hotel, deviations left of course is approved. November 2 Charlie Hotel, pilot's discretion to center maintain 6000.
Discretion down to 6,000, 2 Charlie Hotel.
We're going down. Why?
We're not too far from home.
Well, I know that, but... Okay.
We're going down is probably not the best way to phrase that.
We're
Yeah, oh,
descending.
sorry.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I knew what you meant.
We're entering a controlled descent.
Wow, look at that over there. That's crazy how hard that's raining.
Hey, that little deviation was pretty slick.
That was good.
That worked out well.
Yeah.
As soon as I get out of our space,
Our space.
get over our space, I'll go ahead and cancel. And approach Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel. I can go ahead and cancel IFR. McMahon County traffic, Centurion 732 Charlie Hotel, final 20, McMahon County. hot as it is, it's remarkably smooth.
You know, I've often said that about Todd too. For as hot as he is, he's remarkably smooth.
Uh-huh.